Here are 10 good reasons you should consider buying a drone. Drones have evolved significantly, moving beyond mere toys to become powerful tools with a wide range of applications. 1. Stunning aerial photography and videography. This is perhaps the most popular reason. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras allow you to capture breathtaking photos and videos from unique perspectives that are impossible to achieve otherwise. From sweeping landscapes to dynamic action shots, drones can elevate your creative content. 2. The thrill of flying. For many, the act of piloting a drone itself is an enjoyable hobby. It offers a unique sense of control and the excitement of maneuvering a flying machine, especially with faster racing drones. 3. Real estate marketing. Drones have revolutionized how properties are showcased. They can capture comprehensive aerial views, highlighting the scale, layout, and surrounding environment of a property, making listings more engaging and attractive to potential buyers. 4. Property inspection and surveying. Drones offer a safer, faster, and more cost-effective way to inspect structures like roofs, bridges, and power lines, as well as survey large areas for mapping and data collection. This reduces the need for dangerous manual inspections and expensive equipment. 5. Agricultural applications. Precision agriculture drones are invaluable for farmers. They can be used for monitoring crop health, analyzing soil conditions, precisely applying pesticides and fertilizers, and managing livestock, leading to increased efficiency and yields. 6. Emergency services and disaster response. Drones are becoming crucial tools for first responders. They can provide rapid assessments of disaster zones, locate survivors in search and rescue missions, monitor fires, and even deliver essential supplies to hard-to-reach areas, enhancing safety and efficiency. 7. Delivery services. Companies like Walmart are already expanding drone delivery services, offering ultra-fast delivery of goods directly to customers' homes. This technology has the potential to revolutionize last-mile delivery. 8. Educational tool. Drones offer a hands-on learning experience in various STEM fields: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They can be used to teach principles of aerodynamics, electronics, programming, and even develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. 9. Fun and entertainment. Beyond professional uses, drones are simply fun. Many recreational drones are designed for enjoyment, allowing users to practice flying, play games, and even create entertaining light shows. 10. Cost-effectiveness. In certain applications, while initial investment is required, in many professional scenarios, drones can be significantly more cost-effective than traditional methods like hiring helicopters or extensive manual labor for tasks such as surveying, inspections, or aerial filming. What brand should you buy? For beginners, I recommend the DJI Mini 4K. It takes great photos, 4K video, and is easy to fly. You can find them on sale on Amazon.com for as low as $250. Thank you and happy flying!